There, I can see a little bit better now. What happened?
He jumped over the flower.
Was he too close to them?
A little left leg there. Yeah. Just cut through and change direction. Turn. Oh.
Yeah, I think you did tell her to do yellow.
No, I didn't. She already did it.
No, but I think you said do the yellow, then do the tiki hut.
No, I said cut in between the
Oh.
green and the gray.
Oh.
All right, that worked.